How to do the zoom effect in CapCut. So there are different effects that you can do in CapCut on your videos. I will show you how to do the zoom effect. So what you are going to do is first open a video, and then on the bottom of the screen where it has the different options, when you are not clicked on a specific video, you're going to click effects. From there, you will click on video effects, and you can see there are different zooming effects. There's zoom lens, mini zoom, tracking shot. So you can easily click on all of these to see which zoom effect that you would like. Once we found one we liked, we are going to click on the check mark, and you can also adjust how long you would like that effect to last. And that is how you do the zoom effect on CapCut.